My name is Jeff Rojas, and I'm a commercial and editorial photographer based out of New York City. When I picked up my first camera, I was told that it was impossible to make a living as an artist. And I'm happy to say that I was able to prove those people wrong.
Let me take 5, put me on there.
I'm dedicating my time to show you how to turn your dreams into a reality. Whether you're a photographer or a videographer, I'm here to share my story and my experiences, but more importantly, here you'll learn how to acquire the skills and the tools necessary that will empower you in your own creative journey. Regardless of how you got here, I want to thank you for your time, and I hope that you have an incredible day.